those of you guys out there who might have a little bit of a patchy brow, no offense, friend, it's okay, it's okay. Signature Brow is going to be your best friend. On one side of it is super thin, and then if you flip it towards the other side, it gets a little bit wider. So it's perfect for sculpting out the brow as well as getting those microbladed like hair strokes. And I'm gonna start by using this just in an up and down like motion. And you can see right off the bat how it gets that hair-like stroke effect. So now I'm kind of flipping more so towards the sideways portion of this elliptical tip. I love that Signature Brow is waterproof, which is really cool, and it is going to last in your brows all day long. So now I'm gonna use the spoolie edge on the other side here, lightly comb through the brow.